Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US Navy conducts first ship-launched one-way attack drone flight at sea in Middle East region. Personnel from US Naval Forces Central Command and US Fifth Fleet successfully launched a one-way attack drone from a ship at sea on December 16, marking a first for the force. The launch was conducted from the Independence-class littoral combat ship USS Santa Barbara while operating in the Arabian Gulf. The ship launched a low-cost unmanned combat attack system as part of the milestone event at sea. This first successful launch of Lucas from a naval vessel marks a significant milestone in rapidly delivering affordable and effective unmanned capabilities to the warfighter, said Vice Admiral Kurt Renshaw, commander of NAVCENT and U.S. Fifth Fleet. Renshaw said the event highlighted the impact of innovation and cooperation in the region. This achievement demonstrates the power of innovation and joint collaboration in this critical region, he said. The drone launched from USS Santa Barbara is part of Task Force Scorpion Strike, a one-way attack drone squadron deployed to the Middle East earlier this month. U.S. Central Command announced the deployment on December 3 as part of efforts to equip forces with new operational capabilities. According to the Navy, Lucas platforms used by U.S. forces in the Middle East have extended range and can be launched using several methods. These include catapults, rocket-assisted takeoff systems, and mobile ground or vehicle-based launchers. This platform will undoubtedly enhance regional maritime security and deterrence, Renshaw said. The launch was executed by NAVCENT and U.S. Fifth Fleet's Unmanned and Autonomous Operations Task Force, Task Force 59. NAVCENT and U.S. Fifth Fleet serve as the maritime component of U.S. Central Command across a region covering around 2.5 million square miles of water. The area includes the Arabian Gulf, Red Sea, Gulf of Oman and parts of the Indian Ocean, as well as key choke points such as the Strait of Hormuz, the Suez Canal and the Bab al-Mandeb Strait. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.